Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learn how to make a paper bird sculpture. I'm taking a card paper and make a cylinder. Top of the cylinder I will use more paper and make the bird head. So I'll take the newspaper to shape a bird head and paste it in the cylinder. Also for the make the nice bird shape head, I'm using the paper mache, so glue and newspaper to make the shape. The shape is done and we have to make sure it's 100% dry. After dry, I apply white gesso top of that. We can use gesso or acrylic distemper as a base coat. Top of this coat we will make the different design. So when it dry, I use the marker and paint for making some pattern top of that. Some of the place we use paint. Top of the dry paint we can use marker again. So if you see the all the pattern and color, we can mixed up. Thank you to watch my video.